Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the CapCut PC not working or not working error. So there are three reasons if your CapCut PC is not working properly because of networking error. The first reason can be that there is your system driver is outdated. So what you need to do, of course, update the system driver on your computer, and you can easily find update it on the website. And the second reason is that the graphic drivers on your computer is not compatible with CapCut. So what you need to do is just you can change the graphic drivers because the maybe your current graphic drivers is not working properly with the CapCut PC needs it to be. And the last things that can be the issue is that the CapCut PC is not installed properly on your device. So what you need to do is just, of course, reinstall the CapCut PC on your computer. So that's basically it, and I hope when you do one of the things that I tell you before, I hope it will fix your issue. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.